Okay, so in this sum, they have asked us to find out the first term and common difference. So we are going to go ahead with that. Therefore, the first term, what we can have, first term is also denoted by A and T1 both. So first term, what we can have is 5. Also, it is denoted by T1 as well. Now to calculate common difference, we will have to subtract T1 from T2. Therefore, T2 minus T1, what exactly the T2's value we have? That is 1 minus T1's value is 5. So therefore, 1 minus 5 that you can have is minus 4. Similarly, T3 minus T2, what was the T3's value? That was actually minus 3 minus T2's value is 1. So therefore 1 over here we have got, and the difference we are going to get it to be minus 4 itself, and T4 minus T3. By this T4 we are going to have it to be minus 7, whereas T3's value what they have given it to be minus 3. These two minuses are going to cancel each other and we are going to have plus. Therefore what we can say is that minus 7 plus 3, as a result we are going to have minus 4 itself. Therefore in here, first term what we can have, first term that means A, that is actually 5, whereas common difference is equal to D, exactly what we have calculated so far. Common difference is actually minus 4 itself. Okay, in this sum as well, they have asked us to calculate first term and the common difference. So therefore, what is the first term we can have? First term, that means A, what they have given us was actually equal to 127. Now to calculate common difference, what we will have to do, T2 minus T1. Therefore what we can have, T2 is actually 135 minus T1's value, we have got it to be 127. As a subtraction we are going to have result as 8. Similarly, T3 minus T2. This subtraction, in this place we are going to substitute T3 as 143 minus T2, that means 135. So subtraction will be actually equal to 8 itself. Similarly here we are going to calculate T4 minus T3. T4 they have given us to be 151. So 151 minus T3 was equal to 143. The subtraction gives us 8 itself. Now the result what we can write is simply, therefore first term, that means A, was equal to 127, and common difference what we can have, common difference is denoted by D, by the way. Common difference will be equated with this subtraction, which is actually equal to 8. Okay, so here as well we are supposed to find out the first term as well as the common difference. So therefore what we can write down, first term, that means A's value what they have given us to be 1 divided by 4, and to calculate common difference what we shall write is that T2 minus T1. Therefore T2's value is actually 3 divided by 4 minus T1, which is 1 upon 4. Denominator is can be taken out common since it is equal. Therefore 3 minus 1. Now what we can have, 3 minus 1, that means equal to 2 divided by 4. After dividing both numerator and denominator by 2, what we are going to have, simply 1 upon 2. Similarly, T3 minus T2 can give us, T3 was actually equal to 5 divided by 4 minus T2. T2 is actually 3 divided by 4. Here as well I am taking denominator as common, that means 4. 5 minus 3, this will be equal to 2 divided by 4 itself, that means equal to 1 divided by 2. This is the difference so far. Now once we are done with T3 minus T2, the next thing what we are going to do is also T4 minus T3. So what was the value for T4 they have given? That was 7 divided by 4. Now 7 divided by 4 minus T3, that means 5 divided by 4. Now the denominator I am taking common over here, that means 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 can be equated with 2 divided by 4, that means equal to 1 upon 2. Now finally what we can conclude, that means therefore first term, that means A, is equal to 1 upon 4, whereas common difference must be equal to 1 divided by 2.